In the construction sector, skilled individuals like masons, electricians, and supervisors gain expertise daily. But how to formalise this for national recognition? NVQs, National Vocational Qualifications, are the answer. They validate practical, on-site skills, proving competence to national standards, unlike purely academic degrees. Assessed directly in the workplace, NVQs mean no career breaks. An assessor observes you, reviews your work, and confirms your real-world ability in a live construction environment. It's flexible, acknowledging your existing skills. NVQs offer immense career benefits, national recognition, boosted employability, and essential health and safety compliance, often crucial for CSCS cards and site access. They provide clear pathways for promotion and specialisation, from tradesperson to management. Earning one builds confidence and fosters professional development. Start your NVQ journey and call us at 02080-599944 or email at sales@m2aas.co.uk.